Hey everybody, so I wanted to bring you a video today on my favorite everyday carry multi-tool. So in 2011 I actually got this tool whenever I worked with the Fish and Wildlife Service, and I carried it on my person all the time for years. And it's 2018 now, when I'm making this video, so I don't carry it on me that often anymore, but someday I probably will. You know how you kind of rotate through everyday carry items to best suit your needs. So anyway, this is the SOG Power Assist Multi-Tool. Comes with a little pouch here, little fabric pouch with a Velcro patch on the front of it, and then on the back there's like your belt clip. And I'm not super wild about that with the belt clip because you can lose it since it does come up without having to take the belt on and off. You can get this thing off. There's pros and cons to that, to each his own, but I think now they don't even manufacture this power assist with this sheath. So anyway, here's a look at the tool. Throw that off to the side. So this is a really neat multi-tool. So let's see here, the wording on it, there you go, let the camera focus, is the SOG Power Assist. And the big thing here is compound leverage. So there's just a very smooth gear that just you use whenever you open and close this multi-tool, and I like it a lot in comparison to Leatherman's, because with some Leatherman's you can kind of like whip them open, but with this one it's just a very smooth set of gears. You can kind of see right there that allow you to just open and close it, and it gives you that feeling of much more control. I like it a lot more. So I think that there's actually 16 tools total on this guy, and it's in this one's obviously in a black, I think it's a black stainless steel, and it's really well designed. So first off, there's wire strippers here, you have your pliers, I believe there's like wire, like a crimper right down here underneath the actual head of the pliers, and there's a lot of tools in each handle. So just to show you guys real briefly here, this left side, you lift it up, this is where there's I think 4 or 5 tools. There's like a, let's see if I can get them all out. There's a file. There we go, got them all. Actually, I'll start with the tools here. And one thing too I like about this multi-tool is how they all lock into place. It's pretty handy. So there's a file here on the end, 3-sided file. It locks in. There is, I think this is like a bottle cap opener and a screwdriver. I think that's a regular screwdriver. There is a Phillips head screwdriver along with some other tools. Another screwdriver end. And I'm not sure, this looks like a small screwdriver end, and I'm not sure what the other functions of it are. And then here's the SOG V-Cut tool. Let's see here. It does say V-Cut on it somewhere. There it is. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus. There it is, SOG V-Cut. Looks like if you're cutting some juke twine or something similar, that'd be a pretty handy one to have. Keep in mind too, if you do have something like that, if you use any of the tools I just showed you, you close it up, and then you can get a really good handle on the whole multi-tool, and this is locked into place. Very convenient, very well thought out. And here's the tab you use to unlock it. You push that in on the end here, and it folds right back in. Really convenient. And then you go ahead and fold this cover back over, and I like how this cover's on here too, because if you need to use the pliers and really squeeze it tight, you don't have to worry about the edge right here hurting your fingers, because this cover rounds everything off for you. And then you come over to the other handle, and there's actually 2 knives in here. And then take a look at this, you guys. So there's like a double locking system. There's a little bar that slides across. Let's see what the best way is to show you. Right here, it says off and on. So we'll turn this to off. You can hear the click. It's on, it's off. And then comes out, or you can go like this and flip it up. So it's a power assist, like almost spring-loaded more or less. Very convenient. And I gotta say, that's exceptional on a multi-tool like this. That is an exceptional feature to have. So to me, you know, I haven't used a lot of Leatherman products, but this blows any kind of Leatherman product out of the water. And this was from 2011. They may even have more advanced versions you can get nowadays. I'm not sure. And then it's the same exact thing with the serrated blade side. And again, you know, you go ahead, hold it, you get a nice hammer fist on it. This thing has a good lockup, so it's not going to close back on your hand because, again, it is locked. Very, very well thought out, very good design. So, to unlock it, you know, you guys may have seen that. I just push this tab right here up with my thumb. It goes right back in. Then I lock it up. Now they're locked. It's very, very convenient. So, I really like this multi-tool. This thing probably needs sharpened. I haven't sharpened it much. Let's just take a look. I haven't even done this yet off camera. Well, it's not that bad. A little bit dull, but yeah, okay, well, we'll stop there. But you kind of get the point. I'm sure it was very sharp whenever I first got it. I may have lost its edge some now, but it's not bad. It's not bad. Had a couple little dull spots there on the blade, but it's pretty good. So let's try a piece of thick jute twine here. Again, it's just very well designed item because you can get your hand around it, hold it very tight, and it cuts no problem. So it's just a really nice multi-tool. I think that whenever I got it, they were around $100, $110 or something. I looked it up and I'll put it in the description. You can get this same multi-tool or something that looks very similar for about $65 I believe on Amazon. So half the price of what they once were. And that $110 or $100 I just said, I believe that's like MSRP on SOG's website. So something else is kind of cool, worth noting anyway. There's actually a tape measure here. Goes out, looks like 9 inches or so. Starting over here on the left, goes all the way over to 9 inches. And it looks like we have centimeters on here too. So that's pretty cool. They really tried to design this multi-tool to fit as many possible scenarios as possible. It's super well-rounded, super efficient design, and it just works. It just works so well for me. So I cannot say enough about this multi-tool. I know at work or in conversation with friends and family, if the discussion of multi-tools ever comes up, I always talk about this one and how much I like it. So check them out, you guys, if you want to get a good multi-tool or you were wondering about this one. You can't go wrong with it. It's a great tool. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. And remember, get out in the woods. See you in the next video.